Hey beautiful babes, welcome into Sugar Fingers. Yeah.
Thousand times you moved away. I'm here to say I wish I could go back in time, back in time. I'm so sorry that I hurt you so deep. Swear I spent the last few years just trying to change.
Yes, beautiful babes, today I'm super excited because guess what your girl got? Ooh, she has a gift that I could not wait to show y'all. Guess what your girl got? Oh, Madam Glam has done it again. We have, of course, a new collection for this month. It is the Chapter 1 Elite Collection. Absolutely. And y'all, they sent me 4 of the colors in this collection. So come on, head over to the website with me, Madam Glam, New York. Now this is the Chapter 1 Elite Collection. And baby, honey child, I think it looks like we have about 10 new colors. Wow. You can even get the Chapter 1 Elite Collection bundle or individual colors. And I'm just going to go over the ones that I have, and then we'll go back to the site and let you see all of the amazing colors right there. So this is the box they came in, and of course it is elegant as well. Now I'm going to use these little nail polish swatch sticks to show you the amazing colors that I have in my box. Now if you're looking for these little swatch sticks, you will find them on Amazon, and my affiliate link is down below. Now I am a Madam Glam affiliate as well, and everything again will be listed below. So you know I've got to use my cute little mini Madam Glam LED UV light. We gotta have our alcohol pad so that we can wipe the nails off once we finish. And of course I have my base coat and my top coat by Madam Glam, and these both are soak off. Absolutely. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get started with showing off these beautiful colors that was sent to me. So we are ready. Let's break open this box. And of course, you know I had to take a sneak peek because I'm nosy like that. This is everything you love at your fingertips. Yes, indeed. I'm so ready for this elite collection, this new collection. And yes, it is. It is definitely a new year. Definitely. Are you ready for this new year, new collection? And this is what we're talking about. This Milky experience right here. It's a collection of 10 Milky soak off gels that can be the starting point of a glamorous gel manicure. Let's get this going. Oh my gosh, aren't they beautiful? Their packaging on their bottles is so classy, y'all. I have to say that every time I open a box up here. So let's talk about the colors we have. This one, beautiful here. This one is called Extravaganza. Beautiful shade. Yes, it is. Extravaganza is a burnt red soak-off gel polish. It's a royal red that has a little bit of delicate glitter in it, and each of these will feature that delicate glitter as well. The next one here, beautiful, beautiful, and this one is white lace. And white lace is a white soak-off gel polish, and it's not an illusion. This milky white soak-off gel nail polish is definitely one of a kind. And again, those delicate little glitters all in it for a flawless finish. We then have Strawberry Milk. This is a pink soak-off gel polish, and if your motto is simplicity is the key, then you will fall in love with this pink. And yes, those delicate glitters again. Loving this. Absolutely I am. And then the final one is An Antique Silver. It's a great soak-off gel polish. Bring a little royalty to your nails with this shimmery purple gray hue that is perfect for the new year. Oh my goodness, I'm super excited, y'all. And now it's time to prepare these little swatch sticks to show you all of these amazing colors. So, you know, we want to get a flawless application. So we're going to start it off right using the base coat. Yes, indeed. We're going to apply the base coat and cure it. That's step number 1. I'm going to do each one of the swatch sticks and cure under the lamp. Now, one of the most common mistakes to avoid while doing your manicure is applying thick layers of soak-off gel polish. Don't do that. Applying gel polish on your cuticles and curing. You're talking about painful, okay? Don't do that. Applying lotion or cuticle oil before doing your manicure. Do not do that, especially having it on your nails. Don't do that, okay? So the next step number 2 is we're going to apply 2 coats, and you can apply up to 3 coats of the gel color and cure the layers each time. Absolutely. So we're going to do that with each one of the colors for sure. And then I'm just going to pop them under the lamp. And I will be applying a second coat, and I'm going to put those under the lamp. And step number 3 is to apply the top coat and cure. And yes, I am using the Madam Glam Soak Off top coat. And the final step is to remove the tacky layer with alcohol, which that's why I have the little alcohol pads for, because we definitely do need that. And depending on your lamp, the curing time is usually 2 minutes for a UV lamp and 30 seconds by LED. And there you have it, the Madam Glam Elite Collection. Beautiful. Y'all, these are such beautiful colors they sent me. But again, we're going over to the website in just a moment to check out the other colors as well. But these are so nice. And the little delicate glitter shimmer in it really does a number. You can't see it on camera like I can, but it is so beautiful. Let's head over to the website and check out all of the great polishes in this Elite Collection. Let's get there now. Do you see what we have? You see the bubblegum sky. You see there's the antique silver we just talked about. I love the jasmine tea. That's a beautiful color. And wow, just look at them. Oh, I love the peach sorbet. So I have the links below. I also have for you a 30% discount off of your entire purchase. Just use Sweet Angel 30 and honey, shop away this beautiful chapter 1 Elite Collection. Woo! Yes, I'm super excited about this. I am preparing now to figure out what kind of nail look I want to share with y'all right here on the channel. So stick and stay for that right here on Sugar Fingers. I'm super excited for the gift that I received from Madam Glam. Thank you, Madam Glam. We are all for it. Yes, we are right here on Sugar Fingers, and loving to receive new things so I can share with my beautiful babes on what is exciting and new in the nail world. Absolutely. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel. Thank you so much for hanging out with me on Sugar Fingers, and I am getting ready to give y'all some nail looks out of this world. No, I'm not a professional, but I am a woman that loves to do what? Keep my hands looking gorgeous, and I want you to also. So please stick and stay here on the channel. You might discover something on my DIYs that you would love to take part in. And if you've made it to this part in the video, make sure you have subscribed to the channel. Beautiful babes, I am signing out for now, but I will see y'all back on the next one right here on Sugar Fingers. So stick and stay, subscribe, drop me some hearts, Drop me some hands down in the comments. Yes, indeed. I love that. And beautiful babes, guess what? I'll see you on the next one. So in the meantime and in between time, y'all know what to say. Keep those hands looking gorgeous. I'll see ya.
I'll make it worth your while if you appear. If I change my ways, babe, once you come back to me, make no mistakes, babe, once you come back to me.